But could you feed it to my
I guess we're
dinosaur?
recording this.
Please,
We're
level
going to
11.
fish the chill. Okay, camera's right here.
Please run. Please run.
Oh my! Camera's
It's
right
baby
here.
angler, bro.
Okay. Bro,
That's supposed to be
if you want to
mine.
be in the video.
Camera's right here. If you want to say hi to camera, it's right here. Okay, stop. Okay, no more. Okay, let me just get my. Let's just fish.
No!
I'm just trying to level up.
Hello.
Shut
I'm
up,
trying to- It's right
AK-47
here.
Bob.
It's right here.
Shut up.
Stop. It's not. Okay, whatever. I'm in first person now, so you can't do anything.
Oh my God.
Why do you have to
Can I
do?
smell it? Can I smell it, please?
Crash my feet.
There's no.
Oh, I need it.
Let's see if I search out.
I can play you with this. So,
I got a scout trout!
what the? Shut up, boy.
This might be not
I
good.
think my dinosaur is evil.
I hit my dinosaur, bro.
Smell. Hey, smell this.
Yay! That's about, we're still level up!
Nope. Hey, the video's gonna be like 9 or 10 minutes long, okay?
I need
I
to
don't
eat
tell me
it.
this long.
Where's our going?
Well, with editing, no.
Wait.
You gotta edit my shorts.
Where's your sword?
Too long.
Where's my sword going? Sword, you in here? Where did my sword go?
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go hatch my bundle egg.
Yeah, you should.
Yo,
Hey, no, don't hatch it. I'll give you my scaling egg.
no, bro.
Hatch it.
Bro,
Hatch it.
Blueberry Muffin was literally rubbing his butt against the ground.
Yeah.
Then your butt twin.
Okay,
Yay.
I'm gonna
Please.
speed run. Speed run.
Hey,
Speed
chicken
run.
ball.
Hey, why is somebody being attacked here?
No, I'm level 14. I'm
Stupid
level
boy. Stupid boy. Stupid boy.
14. I win literally over.
Stupid boy.
Who said stupid? I'm reporting you. You said a bad word.
Stupid.
Oh.
You said a bad word.
Hello.
You said a bad word.
I'm trying to speed run.
I deal with Diddy Blood every single night.
Who's Diddy Blood?
Diddy Blood.
Diddy Blood is big.
Diddy Blood Jr.
But Diddy Blood's big.
Did you know Cousin lives next to Diddy?
No, he doesn't.
You guys next to Diddy or Epstein?
Epstein.
What the heck?
Epstein!
Epstein's Island.
Oh yeah, Epstein is my
Okay,
friend.
let's stop talking about this. Let's stop talking about this.
What is
Oh,
that?
yeah.
I want to say Epstein.
Stop it.
Stop it, you flipping loser.
Guys, we like Kronos, yes.
I like Chronosaurus. I want to
It's
get
a bad word.
No, it isn't.
Wait, but you just said it, and you said it's a bad word.
Oh my God. Look.
Is that
I'm
needed?
sure I have some balls.
What do you mean they have some balls?
Look,
I knew
they
they had some balls.
Shut up, bud.
Okay,
I know bro has balls. I know.
Oh,
now
Uncle
it's
so-
open.
Uncle
Time
so-
to hatch
A
it.
big.
That kid needs to shut up, actually.
Squeaker.
Bro.
I'm gonna put my fish.
Yeah, it's a bundle.
You
know
don't.
what
You
color
don't
it
have
is.
to put it there. I know. It's a. I know what color it is.
It's a bundle. Who knows what color?
Especially this color, Busky.
It's the coolest color ever. See?
Wait, I'm gonna.
One spawn. Shut up.
I am helping it.
Shut up. Get your calories.
Okay.
I never learned.
Okay, I'm probably gonna get this guy to level 5 and then end the video. I guess.
Where's the
Scared.
So let's go. Let's go
video?
fishing.
Yay.
Shut up.
Get your calories.
Where's my fucking?
Actually, I'm gonna
Skelly
level
bag?
him up until it's been 9 minutes.
Come here,
until the
Skelly
video is
bag, I'm
9
gonna-
minutes.
What you wanna?
5 minutes is crazy. Okay, back to fishing. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Yay! Gonna fish for. Wait for Ian.
I'm gonna fish for nothing. I caught every fish.
Okay, first fish. Yummy.
What fish was that?
Here's chicken fish.
Oh!
Nice.
Oh yeah, we can make.
I like chicken.
My
Second
God,
fish,
that's
big angler.
berry.
I.
Wait,
Oh, so
where?
cute.
Where?
Well, let's make it dirty over here. You
You're
get
so
some.
cute.
Right
I'm
here.
gonna set you up. I'm gonna set you
cute.
up. Okay, level 4, wait. I lost count.
Shut up.
That's so
Stop
cute.
running. Stop smashing my butt.
I'm not sure where's Diddy
Where's
bro.
Chilling? Whoa, wait,
Some people
there's 8 people in here. There's 8 people in here.
Please.
What's the guy fishing near?
Oh, this is my little cookie. Guys, where's Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast.
Also, you guys are in the video. But I'm filming.
Oh, no, wait. There's rice.
Yeah, you're in the video.
Oh, you're in the video.
Mr. Beast.
Hello.
What you want? Oh, what?
I run
Oh,
for
it's a
that.
Skelly man.
No,
You're stupid. You're stupid. I'm not stupid. Skelly man.
Yo, what is your bro? Crimson, why is this camera bundle to mine?
I am some good thing. Some good thing. You're so small. Where? Mr. Beast?
That's fine.
You need some
Yo,
drugs.
bro, this supposed to be the
I
last
can see that. Wow, no, you can't see that.
I'm gonna give away some people. I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway.
Right? Did you say?
I'm doing a giveaway.
D-U-R.
No, D-R-U-D-S.
D-U-R.
D-R-U-D-S.
It's level 100.
Oh my god.
We need Black Cannon. It's level
This one's
100.
on
I'm gonna do something. Do something. Everybody, I'm really excited.
Mr. Beast.
You want me to tell them
It's
what
a giveaway.
Mr. Beast.
That's why the biggest stuff away.
Yeah.
Give us some money.
Do you want a bundle? You want a bundle?
You want to know what we're doing? Jumping off a cliff. And I just caught a cam. I just caught your mom.
That's not funny.
You want a bundle?
Hey, where's the camera? Where's the camera?
Right here.
You want?
Yeah.
Subscribe to
it's everywhere.
TTT Nut.
Yeah, subscribe to TTT Nut.
And me.
Subscribe to Crimson Crab 1247 also.
Yeah. I don't have a
Okay,
YouTube
guys.
channel though.
Everyone, say bye to the camera. Everyone come over here and say bye to the camera.
Love you.
Hey, no,
Is this camera?
Everyone come over here and say bye to the camera. Yeah, it's here.
Love you.
Okay, see you later. See you if you want.
Wait, look.
Okay, no one's
Yeah,
saying
the-
bye.
the-
They don't care. Sorry.